Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got another project finish, I guess you would call it, for a company called PandaHall. Now, this company reached out to me last month wanting me to do a review on some of their products, so they gave me a budget and I went and I picked a few things out, and a lot of their items come in bulk, meaning that it might have 2 items, 4 items, or more, but you pay one price and then you get all of them. And then they also have, individual stuff. So I purchased a few things, and I'll put a link in my description box of the video where I did the unboxing, and I did a review on a birdhouse that I had gotten from them, and I'll put that link in my description box also. Well, I have another one. So I ordered these notebooks, or a notebook, and it actually came with 2. So it's very nice, and you can see it's listed up there, memo and date. So you can use this like a journal, or just if you need to just write down your what videos you need to make, and what day you need to do them on, or your grocery list. Really doesn't matter. It's just a notebook. Now the pages are like an off-white. And I'm going to apologize for my things shaking. My boys are over here. I don't know what they're doing, but they're under the table. So anyway, this is like a faux leather. Very nice. You can move it, bend it. But this is what the front of it looks like after completion. You got the mermaid right here, and you've got all these surrounding. Then you've got I think that might be a lotus flower. And then all of this, to me, looks like bubbles. So I had plenty of drills, and unfortunately, I've already put them up. I don't know why I did that before I showed this. I don't know. I wasn't thinking. But I had plenty, even with these, like, teardrops. I had plenty left over. Everything, I had something left over. So I didn't have to worry about running out. I had no trash. These were all really, really good drills. And I mean, it's a pretty thick notebook too. And like I said, I got one, or I ordered one, but I got 2 because it just came with 2. So I guess it was considered like a bulk buy. So, all right. So this is what I have for this. And I've got another project that I'm going to be showing. So anyway, I'll leave a link to this in my description box along with PandaHall. And y'all, you really need to check this company out. They have everything, and I do mean everything. If you like to make cards, they've got all kinds of dies. They've got all kinds of stickers, anything that you would want to use to make cards, scrapbooking. They have the diamond painting, obviously. They've got just everything. They have charms, they have beads, it's just amazing. It's like a big craft store, online craft store is what it is. So, all right, this is all I've got in this video. I hope you liked it. Please consider subscribing if you haven't already. Hit the like button. Let me know that you did like this video, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought. I enjoy reading them, and I always comment back. So, all right, y'all. Until my next video, I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.